Hey guys, today I just wanted to do a quick look with the Just My Luck palette from Colourpop. It's so pretty and so green. I don't know, I've been feeling green lately. Not like green with envy or anything, just, I don't know, the color green. So I went ahead and already did like my base makeup. I'm gonna pull out my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. And I'm gonna just use this color Tiki, because I think it's the only matte in here. And just use that as kind of my transition color. So I'm just gonna take my big fluffy brush. Okay, just do the top of here. I think I'm gonna take this Act Natural. I'm just using a blending brush, or a small blending brush. Anyway, I'm already wearing mascara today because I had to take Ramona to the doctor to, she's been having a sore throat for the past couple days. And I finally checked and she had like white spots, so I'm like, oh god, that's probably strep throat. So I went and took her and they said that she didn't test positive for strep throat. So it's just tonsillitis or whatever, but that's fine. And they gave her antibiotics and she's good to go. But I had to get up early because, once again, living in a small town, I'm not sure, but the closest pediatrician that I trust is like 45 minutes away. So yeah. Mo Bamba. And take a small fluffy brush. Hope y'all can't hear the neighbor's truck. That's super loud. I'm gonna take this and kind of buff it into this corner. Just deepen that up a little bit. So yeah, basically just this morning I just did my skincare and got Ramona ready and dressed and out the door. So it wouldn't be an all day thing. And that little girl, she's so funny. She was just like, I want to go to a restaurant and eat macaroni and cheese. And I was like, let's just go home, get some food. Because by the time we got done, it was like lunchtime, but that, oh wow, that is really pretty. I think this is the first time I've actually kind of played with this. I know Ramona played with it a little bit when she did my makeup, and I'll link that video up here. I'm gonna take this Kiss My Ass and put that on the inner corners. I haven't really had a chance to play with this yet, and I wanted to play with it today. And so far, I am really liking it. Colourpop is so good. I'm ordering that honey palette when we get back from vacation. So I figured I didn't want to order it and it just be stuck at the post office. And then probably send it back. I don't know how long they wait to send things back, but I feel like it's not that long. So, ooh, I'm really liking that. It looks so pretty. Okay. But yeah, I didn't want to order it and then it have to, sit and wait and have the chance to send it back if it got here before we got back. But anyway, I really, really want to play with that yellow palette. Okay, I think I'm gonna do, or try to do, Halo cut crease. So I'm gonna take this Luxie small shader and grab some concealer on the middle. Let's see where that's gonna end up, because hooded eyes, you never know. Yeah, that's what I figured. Okay. Let's see. I don't know, some people do this so well. Okay. I'm just gonna blend that out with my finger. Alright, attempt to do the other side the same way, right? I think we're getting there, right? 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 And then those sides out, right? And I think I went too far, but whatever. Just make your eyes look like a giant mushroom. It's almost just a regular cut crease, but whatever. Wiping off that same brush. And I think I'm gonna take that color Mary Jane. Right there. Wow, it's so cute. Oh, it's so pretty. I really like it. Okay. Try not to mess up. That is looking really cool. Okay. Alright, I'll try to get this on this side. That is coming off a lot more. I don't know. In person, I feel like it looks a lot more lime greeny than just, it's pulling more green to me in person than it is on camera, but it still looks really cool. Let's see if I can fix this, which I think I can. I'm gonna clean it off, and I'm taking that same brush. Yeah. And I'm gonna grab Big Banks, and I kind of want to put that on the outside of that Mary Jane. So let's see how that does. Just kind of blend that together. And then do the same thing on this side. And then I'm going to take this little fluffy brush again and go back into Mo Bamba and kind of pull this in a little bit again. And then I'm gonna go back into Kiss My Ass. It just goes to show, whenever you think you're messing up in makeup, you can kind of fix it and pull things back. Because, yeah, I think this is like my first like halo cut crease, and I did a little bit too fat, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna take Chances Are, also on this little shader brush, and just kind of go up top of everything. And if my camera would focus, that'd be cool. Oh, I really like that. Oh, why does it? I don't know. I think that's looking really cool. I'm gonna put eyelashes on. Lashes are on. I'm gonna take the same brush and go into Mo Bamba and put this under. On the other side. And then I'm gonna color switch this and go into Kiss My Ass. Is it Hass or Haas? I think it's Hass, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna grab my Maybelline Lasting Drama pencil and Glaze Toffee. Just gonna put this in my waterline. I don't know. Maybe I should use black because now I'm getting like log in a swamp vibes. But whatever. I do like it. And I'm just gonna put on some lipstick. Here's the finished look. Okay guys, well that's it for me today. I had a lot of fun doing this look. I really like this palette. I think the colors are extraordinarily pretty. Like, I cannot get over this, and I don't know, I've never even really like gravitated towards green in eyeshadow, but this is, I can't stop looking at it. It's so pretty. So I really recommend, and I know this was in my favorites, but I really recommend this palette because it's so pretty. I love it. Okay, I can't get over it. I guess that's it for me today. So if you like this video, please like it and subscribe, and so I will see y'all next time. Bye.